How to add auto caption using Capcut on your phone. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you a content creator or you create content just for fun and find it difficult to add auto caption or subtitle? Worry no more. Capcut editing app got you for free. How it works: download the Capcut editing app from Play Store if you don't have it. Upload the video you intend to subtitle or caption to Capcut. As you can see from this video, it has no caption or subtitle. Then click on text and go ahead to click on auto caption. Choose the text format or style and then activate. As you can see from this video, it now has caption and subtitle. You can also edit the text if you notice any wrong spellings. The Capcut app is free and easy to use. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, share, turn on your notification, and please leave a comment. Thank you for watching.